One other type of conditional structure in Python is the conditional expression. Let's make a working copy of conditionals.py, conditionalsworking.py, and we'll open up that working copy, and we'll go ahead and assign a couple of variables. Now, a lot of times, all you're doing with a conditional is something like this. If A is less than B, then V equals this is true, else V equals this is not true, and print V. You'll see this kind of a thing a lot in a lot of different languages. We save that and run it, say this is true, and if the condition is otherwise, save and run, it says this is not true. So in Python, there's a much, much easier way to do this. You can simply say V equals this is true if A is less than B, else this is not true. And so that takes all of this and it basically puts it in an expression. So delete that, and I save and run, and we get exactly the same results. Make that a 0, and it'll say this is true, and this is true. So all we've done here is we've taken that whole if-else structure and we've put it in an expression. And Python has several of these, and we'll cover these throughout the course. But it's a convenient shorthand, and you'll notice that it even reads well. V equals this is true if A is less than B, else this is not true. And so this part here is what makes it a conditional expression. You have if, and you have the expression that evaluates true or false, and else, and then a second value. So without all of this, you would simply have V equals this is true. And with all of this, you have a conditional expression. This is true or this is not true, depending on the evaluation of this conditional expression. So that's a conditional expression in Python, and it's a very convenient shorthand for a lot of cases where you would otherwise use 4 lines of if and else.